The first week of in-person learning is wrapped up, and for many here in the GTA, it was a shorter week because of the snow days. But either way, teachers and students are back in the classroom, though because of the Omicron variant, finding enough educators is already proving challenging.
The numbers as far as absent teachers, I would expect it to rise.
A small sample of data from Canada's largest school board suggests teacher absences are already on the rise. This Wednesday, when in-person learning resumed following the snowstorm, more than 3,700 teachers and support staff in Toronto were absent. That's 600 more absent staff than on an average day. But what may be the real cause for concern? The Toronto District School Board was unable to fill more than 2,200 of those vacancies.
When you hear that, is that a concerning number?
It underscores that Omicron is having challenges right across the workforce, public and private sectors. And it's exactly why the province provided more funding, more access to retirees and teacher candidates to ensure they can fill those vacancies.
Though Ontario's teachers' unions believe even with the steps taken by the province, boards are headed towards a serious staffing crisis in parts of Ontario.
What you'll probably start to see happen is canceling of senior classes that can't be covered. You'll see administrators covering classes. But what's happening now is a lot of our members have to use their prep period to cover other teachers' classes.
These early warning signs have many, including epidemiologist Colin Furness, on high alert.
It's very clear, the data from the United States, recent data I have just seen from Denmark, which is kind of jaw-dropping, about a week or two after schools open, cases started to go up and way up and really way up. And it's particularly problematic for kids under 5 who can't be vaccinated.
Ontario's Minister of Education says the government has done everything they can to provide a safe learning environment. However, the unions and some members of the medical community have criticized the Ford government for not mandating vaccines for eligible children.
Is mandating the vaccine for eligible school-age children off the table for you and your government?
Our commitment is to make the vaccine as accessible as possible to all students and all staff. We have achieved one of the highest rates of immunization for high school kids 12 to 17 by making it accessible and without a mandate. We could do the same for elementary students by increasing access to the vaccine.
Minister Lecce telling me that he's working with local public health units to roll out 100 elementary school vaccine clinics over the next 10 days, though some critics say that is a small drop in a very large bucket. Now, as for absenteeism in our schools with teachers and students, the province as well as the TDSB will be posting those online beginning next week. I'm Adrian Ghobrial for City News.